never get used to this. This is how I wanna live. Forever we'll be singing like, oh. Walk up out the grave, yeah, I'm alive now. Told the devil, boy, you out of time now. Spirit moving in me on my fire now. And I know it won't ever die out. Won't ever die out. And now I see your blessing.
Friday night, the Blue Devils won. We're headed to the second round, baby!
The Blue Devils won the first region game. I meant state playoff game.
I got to spend time with my dad.
The band went out to somewhere in Atlanta and we won the football game.
Did rehearsal for Elf the Musical and got a lot of the set work done, so that's a really big thing, so I'm glad that happened.
One good thing that happened to me this weekend was going to church and seeing my pastor.
Well, this weekend I just relaxed and I spent time with my kids. I didn't do nothing spectacular. That's all I did this weekend.
Oh, I scored 17 points.
I received a $30 tip at work.
Was definitely hanging out with my family and realizing how much I've really changed from last year. And I'm very proud of myself and proud of all my friends for changing a lot. That's what I'm very proud of.
I moved here to Statesboro this summer and life has been great ever since.
What are y'all Thanksgiving plans?
I am having my kids come home for Thanksgiving and we are going to eat at home and play games and hang out.
And I'm going to Birmingham to meet my family there, and somebody else will do the cooking and I do the dishes.
I plan today to spend my very first Thanksgiving with all my grandkids and my son because he just got married.
My family will travel to Barnesville, Georgia. We get together. We normally have about 40 people from my mom's side of the family who come together and celebrate and eat lots of delicious food.
My Thanksgiving plans are to eat and spend time with my family.
My Thanksgiving plans are to hopefully go down to Augusta and hang out with my family for the weekend.
My Thanksgiving plans are to rest, relax, and see friends and family.
Hello, who am I with?
Miss Brenda Reynolds.
Okay, thank you. What are we having for lunch?
We having chicken patties, broccoli salad, and roasted carrots, and apples, and peaches.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Chloe and today I'm here with
Please.
And
Sky. And my name is Tyler. I'm 5.
What's your name, bud?
My name is Jamie.
What is it?
Jamie.
Jamie?
Aubrey. Aubrey.
both of your names are Aubrey. What's your name?
Okay. Kylie.
Okay, well, so what are you guys thankful for during this thing? What are you most thankful for?
I'm playing on the playground.
Oh, the playground? Okay. Okay, and what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for food.
For food? Okay.
Like the planet or the sun.
Oh, the presence in the sun?
Maybe like that. I'm thankful for having breakfast at home. I'm thankful for Christmas. For all of my friends.
For your friends? Food? Okay. Okay. And what is your food you're most excited about during Thanksgiving?
I always like macaroni cheese and baked beans.
Okay, and you?
We've been playing Play-Doh.
Oh, Play-Doh?
Yeah. I mostly eat chicken and fries.
Oh, okay.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets? You have that for Thanksgiving?
Turkeys.
Turkey? Really? Ooh, that sounds yummy.
My name is Cameron Collins. I started teaching in 2016. My classes are world history and U.S. history, and so I'm just learning about, or I'm teaching about why the world is the way that it is, why our country is the way that it is, and how we interact with it. I wanted to teach these classes because I think that it is valuable to to understand what our world is like, how we interact with it, and our place in it, right, and what we can do to be a part of it. I love teaching this class because, for one, I just enjoy learning. I enjoy, the conversations that we get to have about these different events, and hopefully get to have those eye-opening moments of, understanding. One thing I try to do to make class more interesting for my students is I try to include different activities. Try to get people, into the shoes of some of these people, and make their own judgments that hopefully we can become more engaged citizens as we get older.
Hey, my name is Sanaya, and today we're playing a game of charades and trivia. Okay, first we have Lamaya and Maya, and they're gonna pick a card. Okay, it's a saying that your mama probably have said, like y'all probably said something slick to her, and she would say this. I'm trying to see. Like you talk back how you would talk to, let's say her, and your mama would say this.
I'm not one of your little friends.
Yes. Okay, I'm next. We have Haley and Yana. Okay, here we go. Pick a card.
I picked last time. You picked.
Oh, I see it. I see it. Okay, y'all have to act it out. It's the shmoney dance. Think about it. Y'all know it. Y'all know it. Like, trust me, y'all done did this dance before. What? Next, we have Miss Courtney Wallace, and she's gonna pick our next card. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, this is a song, and okay, let me see. Okay. Do you remember the times when we fell in love? Remember the times. Next, we have Miss Parker, our own flag football coach, and she's picking our next card.
Coach Dobson wants to do this next. It's Black Girl Trivia.
Okay. Oh, you should know this song.
Okay.
It's by TLC, and
I don't want no scrubs.
How do you know that? I didn't get to say it. Okay, next we have our football coach, Coach Dobson. He's picking our next card. Oh, wrong way. Okay, don't look at it.
It's an easy one.
Okay. Ooh, I don't know if you're gonna know this. Okay, so basically, at mainly HBCUs, you have Delta, AKA. Okay, and it's something that they do whenever they're around a bunch of people and they
stomp. Stroll.
Yeah, it's stroll, but it's really strut. It's called a strut.
Strut.
Oh my God. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
My name's Trent, and today I'm here with. What's your name?
It's a car.
Hello everyone, my name is Chloe and today I'm here with...
Yeah.
What? Okay,
The turkeys.
Wait, I'm sorry, so what was that?
Turkeys.